Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's begin to solve this math problem. First, we have to work inside the parentheses. 6 minus 2 equals 4, and there is multiplication here. 4 multiplied by 4, it equals 16, and 16 divided by 16, it equals 1. But this is not correct answer. If you say why, I will try to explain it. Because according to the order of operations, first we have to begin to work inside the parentheses, and after that exponents, and then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. According to this rule, here multiplication and division have equal priorities. That's why we have to begin to work from the left to the right, and the same rule applies for addition and subtraction. Here, according to this rule, first we have to work this. 6 minus 2 equals 4, and we have to copy the rest part of the problem. 16 divided by 4 multiplied by 4. Here, according to this rule, first we have to work this. 16 divided by 4 equals 4, and 4 multiplied by 4, it equals 16. Our correct and final answer is 16. We can copy this answer here. 16. That's all. Thank you. Subscribe my channel.